Big up Crossy Stevie.
God Almighty.
Man, she, but she love me.
King girl and stop shaming yourself, girl. Kind of real life, girl. If I tell me to pull up, girl, I pull up now. Anglia. Yeah. And none of your friend them where you parry can't see me in a chatting with me. And you know that to suck with Likkle Kev. When they see me at the party, they keep the same energy, bitch. And stop the talking over the phone. Stop the talking over the phone. Can nobody not remember your girl? I come and talk to Quincy, me not chat to you. Shit up, Willie. Me not chat to you for start wear pampers for your blood clot mouth. Cause you just a fire be a shit. We want pampers, the adult pampers them, the big one them, the large, XX large pampers them for your mouth. Cause that's a fire be a shit. Be a shit your fire. Your skin cut my granny life. Go blood clot. But you come about me like me and styles. Girl, you just come to America. Go buy your bed. Go buy your blood clot bed. So good. You come about blood clot me. And I come to Dolly, I could press, but you cannot live nowhere. My press, but girl will have things, assets. You don't have nothing, so I could press, but you want be you. Can't nobody. You wipe off for the map, rotten that in. You wipe off for the back. Now you don't even own a pillow in a foreign, so I'm going to come argue with you. I'm going to come obsessed with you and not about you. I am Mildrew. You're rotten. You're the only that you must say tacky.
Them say unable for giant sis. Here what we are going to do. We are going to start over the live.
Yes,
so
start over the live. Come on, angular handicap looking girl here. I say, Granny, start over the live. Come on, about the handicap here. With a mouth full of shit.
Listen,
you want some adult pampers for your blood clot mouth. Where? Granny, your sister will come. Your sister will come and you me attack. I say, Granny, I want this. What that me say?
Yeah, when you come on the live, me never watch the come.
So who was being disrespectful first? Who did say I want to Emily? Who was being disrespectful first? Me this year? Don't I ask the Granny what this?
Me say I want this in the comment. I wasn't really watching the comment section, so that's
okay. I want the dirty thinking Emily. Mr. Dolly, after seeing you keep the same energy. Yeah. After seeing you keep the same energy. I not fast with her. I don't want a girl fast with me because I don't remember Dolly them. Dolly them eat back time. I don't in chattings with Dolly. More than anytime Dolly see me on event, she for keep the blood clot same energy. Yeah, coming in our chattings. I'm in an explanation. I'm a big woman. Yeah. She for just tell me that she want to pull up out our plains road and our auntie with the party life can carry out our plains road. Me and I jump it. Yeah.
Them take back the car. Me not the car. Them take it back.
Me say, why when they take back the car, you they have to pull up. It should say pull up. Me you don't have to carry out our plains road. And your shit up needs too much. You need to eat shit too much. And a girl can't bow me out. No girl will just come America can't come bow me out. Yeah, come with that. But I chop out the shit out time out. But I chop it out time out. Cause not about time. Why you want to come bow me? Tell her to come bow me. Tell her to come bow me. Tell her to see me and go like she no blood clot to me. Cause me remember your handicap knees. Me remember your handicap knees. I'm a big woman. I'm never got a story. But I'm here to tell Dolly, anytime I see the club or anything, I go jump by your blood clot. So remember me tell him I go spring by you. Me I go up your blood clot. Remember me tell him. Anytime I see you, say try come prepare girl. Cause anytime I see you, I go spring by you. I go fuck your mother and follow me. Don't blood clot. Follow me. Come in and remember your handicap looking blood clot. That's why you say don't cancel blood clot. Come in and where you get that body there. Go take out the skin out of your body. You don't look good. You don't look good. But ask you a question.
Girl,
you want to meet up out of our place or you want me to come on your address because I can pull up. You want me to do it? You want me to do it? Alright, send the address. Send the address, bitch. Send it. Because you're not too much talking. You're in too much talking. You're in too much talking, girl. Send it now, girl.
Don't send the address.
But you ever always in a words with me. I ain't in a league, in a category. I could have have nothing in a foreign. You don't have a pillow. You don't have a good ear. I Asian, I granny, or whoever ear you always aware. That you can't in a league in an argument with me. Cause I guess some have whole heap of ear. Girl, you don't in a class argument. I could have never obsessed over you because guess why? You don't in a Dolly, you wipe off of them up completely. Dolly, the shit in your mouth, I eat my one come. My one come through a buckle of bleach, Ajax bleach. I want this thing, the wet name in your mouth. I wash out the bacteria in your mouth where you walk and translate around the whole America. You got to wash out the mouth. You just walk and shit up the water club, them not about your Dolly. You wipe off of the map.
You don't say?
0 I have for thinking shit up white tongue. You still can't. Dolly, you can do me a favor? You can do me a favor?
I say you don't say.
You want to do me a favor, girl?
One thing though, girl,
You want to do me a favor, girl?
just
Yeah, you can. I ask you a question. You can do me a favor, girl? You can do me a favor? Eh? I ask you a question. You want to do me a favor? You can do me a favor, girl? No, I ask you a question. You can do me a favor?
one time,
No, I ask you a question. You can do me
why
a
you not
favor?
rush on them? But after why you not rush on and leak?
You can belch on my mouth. You can belch on my wall. Eh? You can belch on my wall, girl. Girl, but I want you belching on my wall and lick out the shit in the blood clots. Yeah. I want you come belching on my pussy and suck out the blood, the clot out of me. Yeah. That's what you come do. I want you come plunge out the shit out of my wall. You like doo-doo.
Emily,
You like doo-doo no blood clot.
Emily,
You like doo-doo. You
Emily,
like blood clot doo-doo.
Emily,
Yeah. Dolly come
Emily,
have me like a mouth.
Emily.
Dolly, when you see me at Dolly Sunday,
Ma ask you a
why you
question.
never
How
there
much
go
time
on
you
the
see me?
most? Why you never say what is still? Mr. Why you never?
I was
Alright,
right there. I was right there
Why you
standing
never
beside
say
you.
dirty
Promise me,
Emily?
Likkle, remember
I'ma
you
show you
said
what
you
is
see me
dirty
have a backup
Emily.
for me.
Cause I win 100 and only so one. Mr. Why win 100 and only stinking girl?
Girl, you
Girl,
promised me a lake. You must say you are the mother now. Emily, Emily,
yeah.
remember say you are the mother.
Yeah,
You promised me a lake. You say me have a
in a
buckle for your
talking
blood clot,
girl, cause you
daddy.
always
So
when
when
I
you see
talking
me,
to
you
come
just come over
girl.
and say,
Never
girl, I'm
left
ready for you
remember
now.
you. Never left. Remember all the boys them how you work. Remember me know everything about them. I go pull them up on my phone. All look boy when from out and one of them so I have all them leak up in the phone.
Yeah.
So good dirty. Remember me blood clot know you. I remember boy them this and that.
Girl, we are talking. Girl, we are talking
You
about
walk
make no
and force
sense,
boy for
Emily.
there with you. You walk and force
Emily,
boy for
me
there
say
with
you
in a
talk about
blood
make
clot.
no
When
sense. Emily,
clot.
be
You
a
know about your
story.
blood
Me not put
clot,
boy
boy,
play
dirty
make a boy
batty
do me
man. Boy,
naturally.
dirty batty man. You're the
Boy
dirtiest
do
batty
me
man I ever
naturally,
see.
Emily.
I don't know why them send for a monkey like you from blood clot
Me
where you
say boy do
come
me
on blood clot America
naturally.
for come
You're
mash
so
up blood
pressed.
clot America. Dolly, the
You're
disease
so
that you have, nobody
pressed.
no want it a blood clot.
Emily, you're so pressed.
Dolly, me could have pressed you can make no sense.
No, because
Dolly,
you just keep
you're
going on and on. You
you're
just keep
rocking a
going
blood.
on, and I'm just here looking natural and pretty.
Girl,
Hold on, the one
girl, don't
I'm
hold up
here
a
looking
story with
natural
me.
and pretty.
Me in a size, don't hold up a story with me. More than anything you see me if you keep the same energy, bitch.
Emily,
Keep the blood
Emily,
same energy.
me hear you say something a while ago. Which local boy you talk about?
No, one boy was she work at Jamaica, was she make dead in her last year or before she come up here. That's the little boy that me talk about. And who you think about that talk about Milan?
Me don't know. Yes, the
No,
number some me there.
No, the little boy will make sure that up my mona in me talk, but me not which little boy me could have talk about. I saw me could have got sad. I saw me could have got sad, Milan. Come on, Granny, come in sad. You be right, see? You crazy?
continue, girl. What again?
You mad.
Talk one other story again, girl. Talk some more story, girl. One thing with you, delusional, you know?
Dolly.
You're delusional, you know?
Ali, are you delusional? Anybody know you know that you delusional? Are you delusional? Can you walk on post for them in a for them not there with you? The boy them not there with you.
Everybody make a
Boy them
reason.
not
Make
there
a
with you.
reason.
Are you make the boy out of rivers get kicked out too? Yeah. Are you
So
same
make
one
boy
do it?
ever get kicked out. No make boy dead. How much boy make dead? How much boy make?
Stop walking blind young boy them future. Cause the boy them not real life now lie down with you.
Emily, how much boy
Most
make
the
dead?
boy them finna things cause the boy them now they know with you.
You more Dolly.
Man
Emily,
looking blood clot,
Emily, How much boy I make dead? How much?
Talk about me say anytime your blood clot see me. Yeah, the boy dead for two. 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 And that our mother will live up on Mona. You see up on part our family them come from. Them after blood clot go down. That's why I want to start it with me. Come and make sure them dead first. Them after dead blood clot first. Our hungry belly mama after blood clot. Them fucking yeah.
Which one of my family having party girl? None of my family having party girl.
Auntie, what's that argument? What
Set
the
germs bag.
Yeah,
Germs clap bag. The boy them will fuck me. Can't fuck you a blood clap.
Daddy, what me, Dolly? Talk to your auntie. What more? What?
Girl, I'm not even looking at these unscrupulous bitches. Period. You know your niece is educated. I'm not arguing with these girls that are below
But
me.
I'm tell you, say Dolly, anytime I see you anywhere, I go jump on your blood clot here after you
Okay.
go the fast.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, come up for the life. How many niece me love
I'll
you?
lick up the fast I'll make your auntie drive you come a wife is
Sure, come on.
your catchy. No
I
about
am
you.
a boy. My name is Josh. I lost my teeth and I hate Dolly because she has 9 fingers.
No, sir. This historic blood clot.
Bitch, why you mad? Because my pussy pops the ceilings and yours don't? Girl, I'm unbothered. I could have sit up and argue with Emily every day, girl. I'm not mad. That's a waste my energy, girl. That now I'm putting my money in my pocket. Emily just come and be a story and be a drama and just be a lie. It's just so... These bitches are so hilarious. I'm just so pressed. Like, no. I'm not gonna do that. No.
So, some
When I say Emily, and I say baby, I would prefer to, I love and cherish this 9 finger. This is why I don't hide it. This is why I post videos. This is why I go out with it and all that. This is why I even post a video on YouTube, because I want people to know about my story. And this, what I've been through and survived, it has made me stronger than you bitches will ever in your entire life be. But guess what, darling? Come and sit down, put your chair closer. I prefer to have a 9 finger than to have a false teeth in my mouth, because that's not pretty, especially the fact that you're a little girl. You shouldn't have even been having a false teeth in your mouth, baby. I feel pity for you. I feel sorry for you. I see hunger. I see a hungry black boy who is fighting to be free, who is fighting to have confidence, who envy bitches, who is so confident, who stands the ground, who walks with their head above water. You're so envious. That's not good. Jealousy is not girly. You need to sit your ass down and go back to basic school. Yeah. I'm not gonna be the one coming on live. I'm not gonna be the one coming on live, girl. I'll be raising, girl. And the thing is to show you guys that she's so jealous and she's so hurt. When she's on live, she doesn't even give her other competitive a chance to talk. Tell you that she's really envious and jealous, and he's an angry man inside. He's so angry. When he's on live, he doesn't give you a chance to even speak. You know, like some girls, classy girls with class, they will allow you to speak and then they will speak after. And you know, because you want to hear what that bitch is saying. Like, that's how I argue. When I'm arguing, I will allow you to talk because I want to hear what you're saying, and then I talk after, and then you talk again. She doesn't do that. She doesn't give you a chance to talk. So that's a sign of someone who is mentally depressed. Mentally depressed. Mentally ill. Because they don't give you a chance to talk. They're angry.